Husband, what did you get for me?
Surprise!
That is what he got for me. Ikasoli.
It's a box.
Only box?
After Skii.
Nunnuka nunnuka lai 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 lai. Kuka joi mitä joi miksi ja mä vai. Lapi hullus kun iskee poikaan. Pilikun jälkeen baarissa joikaa. Nunnuka nunnuka lai 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 lai. Kuka joi mitä joi miksi ja mä vai. Enkä halu takas etelään.
Find out what is inside of the box. Let's see what he got for me. Kunta, is this all for me? He got me some papers. Got me cream whipper. And the big one. Let's see what's in here. Wow, I like it. This one is for the cold weather, and the other one is for the warmer weather. And I have a ski socks, hand warmer. I have a lot. I'm gonna feed it later. Oh, I have neck warmer. Oh, this is so nice. I like it. Look, it's this one. Wow, this is so expensive, my love. And I got also the bills, but this is for my husband. And this is my long pants. I am really like a pro now. How do you like my ski outfit? I hope that we'll be able to use this on Sunday and I won't make this dirty. And how do you viewers like my outfit?
Snow is white.
Yeah.
Why should it get dirty? I don't understand.
No, if I fall.
Snow is white.
Yeah. I know.
Don't be afraid. Miltä se näyttää takapäin?
But anyway. How do you like my...
Tää on parempi kuin Sofia Belorfilla ainakin.
Yeah. So all in all, this is what I got from my husband. How do you guys like my ski outfit? You can leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video unboxing my ski outfit. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button down below. Let's go ski now.